Shivaya. So today I want to share something very interesting. Suppose you are a unmarried girl. Whom do you want to marry? I have seen many girls saying that I want to marry a person who is fit, is good. But what fitness? What fitness are you interested? Muscles, huh? You want muscular body. Many students, you can see news also. Many girls like muscular bodies, no problem. So when this term, fitness term, is for what? You have to think whether unmarried girls or unmarried boys. Nowadays, girls also doing very intense workouts. So what I say, if somebody is too much fitness workouts, I recommend, please watch that person's behavior. High risk is there to marry that person, that boy or that girl. 3 hours workout, 4 hours workout. Oh, they have some problem, mental problem, some frustration in life, some mental block. So to overcome that, they do intense. They are trying to save themselves. What I am recommending, you just watch that person behavior 2 days, you will understand. People who do only physical workout, risk. When I say physical, in yoga, practitioners and teachers also like this nowadays. 108 Surya Namaskara, so this Vinyasa Yoga, Ashtanga Vinyasa. They become aggressive. I've seen many Ashtanga Vinyasa practitioners. I'm talking about only physical body. People who practice pranayama, meditation, relaxation, they fall into different category. Now what I'm requesting, when you want to marry somebody, why don't you look at the mental fitness of that boy or girl? Tell me why. Why only you want physical fitness? Recently I have seen one girl married a boy. He's a very fitness freak. After marriage in 3 months he has gained 20 kgs. What I am saying, you try to marry a person who is mentally fit than physical. Physical also good. Give more importance to mental fitness. But no girl, no boy gives. Girl says muscular body. Boy says her nose is good, eyes good. What is that you eat? Nose or eyes or what? Look at the character. Look at the mental fitness of that person. I will prove you right now. When I say mental fitness, if somebody is practicing yoga, ask that person, are you breathing, are you doing pranayama and meditations? If they say no, he is not a physically fit person, mentally not fit. Right now, live, practical, I'm making with cameraman, you also do with me. Sit, you please sit. A person who is mentally fit, he will become physically fit also after some time. We will do just 27 breaths. Follow my instructions. Just 27 breaths, just 5 to 10 minutes. See what happens. How your mind becomes peaceful. What I am recommending, unmarried girls and boys, marry a person who is peaceful. Not who is rich, who is muscular. Both, that is richness is waste for you, his muscles are waste for you. Look at that peaceful person, he will protect you. See, that person has to be with you lifelong. Yeah? Ready? Now I am starting. Follow my instructions. In yoga path, there is a power for one chapter, pranayama, the breathing. The respiratory system has power. Follow this one. Are you ready? So my cameraman is doing, you also do. So open the palms, breathe deeply, breathe out slowly. Now breathe deeply, hold the breath, hold for 4 seconds and breathe out slowly, slowly, slowly. 2 times completed. Now breathe in, hold the breath and breathe out slowly, slowly. Breathe in, hold the breath, breathe out slowly. Breathe in, hold the breath and breathe out slowly, slowly, as slow as possible. Show me your willpower. Now breathe in, hold, breathe out slowly. 6 times completed. Let us continue. Breathe in, hold the breath, breathe out slowly, slowly, empty. Then breathe in again, hold the breath and breathe out slowly, slowly. Breathe in, hold the breath and breathe out slowly, slowly. 10 times completed. Let us continue. Don't give up. Show me your willpower. Breathe in, hold the breath, hold it. Tension increasing in the body, no problem. Hold the breath. Now breathe out slowly, slowly, slowly. Breathe in, hold, breathe out slowly. Breathe in, hold, breathe out slowly. Breathe in, breathe out slowly. Now one more time. Breathe in, breathe out slowly. Breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly, slowly. Breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly. Breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly. Breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly. One more time. Deep breath in and breathe out slowly. One more time. Deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Enough. Slowly, gradually open your eyes. How are you feeling?
Super.
5 minutes of focusing on the breath, you become so peaceful. What I am requesting, try to marry somebody who is good for your future. I have a great friend, great yoga teacher, and he has got a beautiful daughter. Many boys were approaching, many parents were approaching him, 100 crores property. He says no. Now his daughter got married to a boy who is earning only 50,000 per month, a average family, a middle class family. Now I asked, sir, why you did not give your daughter for a rich person? He says, Ashok, money comes and goes. I want a boy who will take care of my daughter. Lifelong he has to take care, Ashok. Money comes and goes. See the maturity of the father. And that girl also accepted. What I'm trying to request everybody, please, how many of the girls and boys are trapped at the physical aspect of the person? Please study that person's mind. Is he a peaceful person or not? Is he a helping person or not? What type of character he is? Now in the next video, I will share a great input to unmarried boys and girls, and that will save you lifelong. Om Namah Shivaya.